What's up? Hiring na naman po ang Uno Overseas Placement Incorporated ng dairy farmers. Ang gross salary ay 164,000 Japan yen or equivalent to 61,000 pesos. Qualifications: high school graduate, at least 6 months to 1 year of experience in the same field with certificate of employment not later than 2019. Magdala lang ng original at colored photocopy, updated resume, valid passport, certificate of employment, 2x2 picture with white background, may suot na blazer, 2 pieces certified true copy, diploma, to form 137 or transcript of records, NBI clearance multipurpose, PSA birth certificate, e-reg, PEOS vaccination card at booster card, certificate of residency from barangay at Uno application form. Ito po ay pwede nyong i-download sa sourcing.unoph.com. Dalhin lang ang mga sumusunod na dokumento sa kanilang opisina: Uno Overseas Placement Incorporated, 867 AP Building, MF Hoxton Street, Sampaloc, Manila.